The HI2002 is part of Hanna Instruments' line of single-parameter edge meters and is specifically designed for the measurement of pH, ORP, and temperature. This meter features a large 5.5-inch LCD display and dedicated keys for basic meter operations. It incorporates capacitive touch buttons, which are clog-resistant and easy to clean. 2 USB ports are available on the meter. One standard USB port is for data export using a flash drive. The other is a micro USB port for charging the meter and PC connectivity. The meter may be used on or off the charging cradle and has a battery life of 8 hours when continuously used. The HI2002 is equipped with Hanna's exclusive CalCheck feature. CalCheck monitors electrode behavior over time and uses this data to alert the user of potential problems, such as a dirty electrode or contaminated buffer solution. The HI2002 will also alert the user if the temperature of the calibration buffer is out of range. After calibration, the overall electrode condition is displayed on the measurement screen. CalCheck ensures stress-free, accurate, and reliable measurements. Along with the meter, you will receive the following: HI11310 combination double junction pH electrode, benchtop charging cradle with electrode arm, 2 sachets each of pH 4, 7, and 10 buffers, 2 sachets of general purpose cleaning solution, a wall mount charging cradle, an instruction manual with quick start guide, and the instrument quality certificate. The HI11310 is a digital pH electrode with a built-in temperature sensor that connects to edge via a 3.5mm connector. The resolution of the pH range is selectable up to 0.001 and is extremely accurate. Calibration can be performed up to 5 points with a choice of 7 memorized buffers and 2 custom buffers. Switching between pH and millivolt mode is made easy by simply pressing the range button while in measurement mode. The millivolt mode has an expanded range for the measurement of oxidation reduction potential with an optional ORP electrode. Pressing the dedicated Cal button allows users to enter automatic calibration. Calibration data is stored on the electrode upon exiting and can be reviewed by pressing the GLP button. The GLP data includes the last calibration date, time, days to expiration when calibration timeout is enabled, calibration points, offset, and slope percentage. Hanna Instruments offers a wide range of optional pH and ORP digital electrodes, including ones designed for specific applications. Since the electrodes are digital, calibration information is stored in the electrode rather than the meter. The use of digital electrodes on the HI2002 also allows the meter to automatically identify electrodes once they are plugged into the meter. This feature permits electrodes to be swapped without having to calibrate each time a new electrode is connected. An optional matching pin is available on some electrodes. The matching pin allows assessment of the impedance of the glass, indicating electrode and reference junction, enabling the user to access additional electrode diagnostics. Up to 1,000 measurement readings can be stored by using both log on demand and interval logging. A reading can be logged by simply pressing the log key. Stored data is easily recalled by pressing the recall button. These log measurements can then be transferred directly to a PC or stored on a USB flash drive. The HI2002 is an excellent choice for the customer who is looking for a high-performance meter while maintaining the low profile and mobility of a portable meter. For more information about this or any of our other products, please visit our website.